Oh, so nice. Morning folks. Well, it was a much better night last night, but as you can hear I'm still bunged up. I'm bringing up green mucus, so I think it might be a chest infection. That's no good, especially when I was in the hospital for pneumonia. So here's hoping that it isn't. So I'm going to head to Kyle of Lochalsh and I'm going to hit the castle Dornan as well. So let's do it. Nice espresso being made in the morning. If you want to check this out guys, I'll leave a link to it in the description. Aye, this thing's awesome. Look at that. It's just utterly stunning, innit? I know I need to get a hot drink in me, but I don't know if the espresso's going to count for that. It smells lovely. Oh, definitely needed for the morning. The good thing as well is it's supposed to be sunny for the next 5 days, especially in the Isle of Skye, so I'm pumped about that. But it was -2 last night. -1, -2. The sleeping bag was the MVP last night. I think he thought I was a taxi. Fiat Doblos look like the Mercs, these kind here, and I think he thought I was a taxi. I gave him a run, but there's no room in the van. He looked safe. It might be cold, but at least it's sunny. What a spot. I was on my way to Kyle of Lochalsh, but I've just found the perfect spot and I can't pass it up, so aye, wait till you see it. Come and look at this. That is something else, isn't it? Wow. We've even got our own wee beach as well. The rocks are all slippy as well. Wow. Look at it. That water's so calm. Look at this wee bit here. Such a nice wee spot. So beautiful. So I think I've just found a camp that I'm going to be at for a couple of days and see if I can cure whatever's growing in here with my congestion. But what a place to park up to get ready for the Isle of Skye. That's incredible. Oh. Ah! Let's go up to the van and get set up. Do you know what I was thinking? I haven't actually used the tarp, so why don't we crack that open as well? Just get it all set up. Just try to think how the ground is though, because it is a bit solid. It's so funny, do you know how long I've been wanting to use that? All through the North Coast 500, but it was too windy. The day is the perfect conditions. Ideal park up, scenic park up, the sun, no wind. It's like the perfect park up. So peaceful. The only thing that would make this perfect is if I had a table, because if I had a table, I would set it right here with my speakers, my MacBook, my keyboard, and I would just look at that. I'll be coming back in the summer to do that. I hold my hands up to it. I'm not a cold water guy. Power to the people that want to jump in frozen lakes and lochs and everything else, but I can't do it. Close the door over, keep some heat in. But sometimes you just have to sit and just admire it and just enjoy it. This is why you build a camper van, for views like that. To get away from the rat race, to get away from the busy streets. This is just beautiful, this is just heaven. I'm just trying to tidy things up before I start editing, but I think what I'm going to do first is make another espresso. What coffee will I have? I think I had a Columbia today. Do you know what? We've got a bit of editing to do. Let's have an intensity 10. So I think the other one's still in here. Aye. and double press it to get extra water. Oh aye. Oh, it's just the smell that gets you. Oh. I'm going to sip this while I'm editing, so I've got something warm. But aye, let's get to editing. What a place. It's like you just have to take it in. The sun's starting to get in, and that water's just like glass. I'm so glad I stopped here. You just can't beat views like that, can't you know? I'm looking forward to getting to Kyle of Lochalsh. I do have a shower in the van, but I can't be bothered heating the water up. I'd rather pay the £5 and use their facilities. And I'm going to use Kyle of Lochalsh. It's kind of like a reset to Down Sky. Aye, I'm looking forward to it. But hands down, this place has to be one of the best camps I've been to. And I've got it all to myself as well. So I think I'm going to get some dinner on the go. And I've bought another MRE, so I think I'm just going to eat that. Just boil it in the bag. I keep saying it, but look at it. That's a sunset. I'm going to make it smaller as well because the guy lines there. I'm going to just move it over a bit. Just have it self-contained in there. I don't trust it, so I'm going to move it. That should be fine now. And put a bit of this in the middle. Oh, so nice. Just to be safe. Not gonna lie, it is such a nice feeling having a fire, cooking your dinner outside with a view like that. Maybe ready to go in. Oh, I'm opening it. But I'm opening it, I've not even cooked it yet. And then in you get. And then let that go for 5 minutes. What else did we get in the bag? Got hot chocolate. Oh, salted peanuts. This bag is from North Coast 500. I've not touched in it. Oh, the fruit flavour drink. They were nice. Chewing gum. I forgot that was in there. Instant coffee. Aye, so the rest of it's just wipes and stuff, but that's cool. So this is now saying it's done. So chicken and pasta with tomato sauce. Feels like there's a lot more chicken in this one than the sweet chilli rice. That's so good. My senses are everywhere because it feels like I'm camping. And technically I am, but I've no tent. But it's nice. And so's the fire. So I was going to stay here another night, but the area is getting all boggy, so we'll head to Skye tomorrow. Oh, go the other way. Second-hand smoke. I don't know if I'm as enthusiastic about this one as I was the other ones, but fill me up nonetheless. Well, the fire's dying out, so probably going to call that a night. Tomorrow, hopefully be hitting Kyle of Lochalsh. I'm going to try and hit Darling Castle as well and try and get some drone footage. This was a good stop to make, so I think I'm going to get in, call it an early night, and start fresh tomorrow. So if you did go on to enjoy the video, guys, why not drop it a wee like and let me know in the comments. Let me know if you've ever been here, and if you haven't already, why not get subscribed and hit that bell notification so you're always notified when I leave a new video. I'm on my way to the list, guys, so if you want to see it, be sure to get subscribed. So until the next one, guys, peace. That is brisk. So up until 5:30 to get a shower. I've also got this Max Martin type track that I've been working on. From the first time we met.
I'm saying nothing. That's no depression. That's just moody.